Hello students of class 8 Jasmine and Rose, myself Priyanka Ghosh and welcome to our KPS online GK classes. Students, please take out your book and open the page number 36 is famous saying. Students, one thing I should tell you today that students follow this chapter very carefully, famous saying, because the answer given in the back of the book completely wrong. Okay, those who follow the answer behind the book, it will be wrong. Okay, so everybody must follow the video. Okay, so let's start. Okay students, let's start the page number 36, famous saying. Name the people with whom these famous quotes are associated. Okay, see number 1. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. Whose quote is that? Is Albert Einstein. A-L-B-E-R-T, Albert Einstein. E-I-N-S-T-E-I-N, Albert Einstein. Okay, next number 2. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Okay, the famous quote is written by Swami Vivekananda. Okay, the famous quote is by Swami Vivekananda. Next, number 3. Peace comes from within, do not seek it without. Peace comes from within, do not seek it without. This is the famous quote of Gautam Buddha. Okay, Gautama Gautama Buddha, Buddha. Next, number 5. Non-cooperation with evil is as much a duty as is cooperation with good. Non-cooperation with evil is as much a duty as is cooperation with good. This is the famous quotes of Mahatma Gandhi. M-A-H-A-T-M-A, Mahatma Gandhi, G-A-N-D-H-I, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Next, number 5. No nation, perhaps no individual has progressed without mistakes. No nations, perhaps no individual has progressed without mistakes. Okay. This is the famous quote of Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi. Next, number 6. Necessity never made a good bargain. Necessity never made a good bargain. This is the famous quote of Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. B-E-N-J-A-M-I-N. Benjamin Franklin. F-R-A-N-K-L-I-N. Franklin. Okay. Next, number 7. Child is the father of the man. Child is the father of the man. This is the very famous quote, and the quote is given by William Wordsworth. W-I-L-L-I-A-M. William Wordsworth. W-O-R-D-S-W-O-R-T-H. William Wordsworth. Next, number 8. You can't cross the sea merrily by standing and staring at the water. You can't cross the sea merrily by standing and staring at the water. This is the famous quote of Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Next, number 9. You can fool people some of the time and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Okay. I repeat, you can fool people some of time and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. This is the famous quote of Abraham Lincoln. Okay, Abraham, Abraham Lincoln, Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln. Next, number 10. The more we sweat in peace, the less we bleed in war. The more we sweat in peace, the less we bleed in war. This is the very famous dialogue of Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Vijaya, Vijayalakshmi, Lakshmi, Lakshmi Pandit. Pandit. Okay. So everybody must follow this video, particularly this video, because the answer key is completely wrong. Okay. Next. Okay, move to the next page. Okay, students, take out the page number, open the page number 37, manias. Okay. Mania is an excessively intense enthusiasm, interest or desire. What is mania? Mania is an excessively intense enthusiasm, interest or desire. Read the clues and solve the crossword given below. Okay. See, number 1. The obsession of staying in bed in cold weather. The obsession of staying in bed in cold weather. The name of the mania is क्लाइनोमैनिया. CLINOMANIA. मुझे इस टाइप का मैनिया है. ठंडे की मौसम में मुझे बेड से उठने में बहुत लेजी फीलिंग होता है. सो the name of the mania is क्लाइनोमैनिया. Next, number 2. An absurd desire for having many cats around. An absurd desire for having many cats around. The name of the mania is Alluromania. Alluromania. MANIA. Alluromania. See the spelling carefully. Next, number 3. An intense desire to be alone or out in the open. An intense desire to be alone or out in the open. The name of the mania is agromania. 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 Next, number 5. Sorry, number 4. Okay, see the 4 option. Question number 4. A bizarre obsession like asking people to marry or issuing proposal to many people. A bizarre obsessions like asking people to marry or issuing proposal to many people. The name of the mania is Gamomania. 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 Next, number 5. Obsession with giving away gifts even without the real financial means to do that. Obsession with giving away gifts even without the real financial means to do that. The name of the mania is Doromania. 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 Okay. Next, number 6. Inability to make up one's mind about anything. Inability to make up one's mind about anything is abulomania. ABOULOMINA. Abulomania. ABOULOMANIA. Abulomania. Okay, next, number 7. Carving for pulling out one's own hair. Carving for pulling out one's own hair. The name of the mania is Trichotillomania. Trichotillomania. See the spelling very carefully. Trichotillomania. TRICHOTILLO. Trichotillomania. MANIA. TRICHO. Trichotillomania. Trichotillomania. MANIA. Okay, next, number 8. The psychiatrists believe that one is processed and also acts the same way. The psychiatric believe that one is processed and also acts the same way. The name of the mania is demonomania. 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 Okay. demono demonomania. mania. Demonomania. Next, number 9 is obsessions for washing own hands and having fixed idea for infection or getting dirty. This is the very common mania nowadays, in present situations, like for coronavirus. See the option 9, question number 9. Obsession for washing own hands for washing owns of hand and having fixed ideas for infection or getting dirty. The name of the mania is ablutomania. 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 This is abulomania and this is ablutomania. 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 See the spelling abulomania and ablutomania, almost similar. See the spelling carefully. Okay. Ablutomania. Okay, move to the next page. Okay, students, open the page number 38. Famous characters in literature. Famous characters in literature. Page number is 38. Here are some of the famous characters in literature. Name the creators of these characters. Okay. See here given in the name of the creators. Okay. See. Number 1. S. Taylor. Number 1 is S. Taylor. The name of the book is Great Expectation, and the name of the creator is Charles Dickens. Charles. Charles Dickens. Dickens. Charles Dickens. Next, number 2 is Bertie Wooster. Bertie Wooster. The name of the book is Jeeves and Woosters, and the name of the creator is P.G. Wodehouse. P.G. Wodehouse. W-O-D-E House. H-O-U-S-E. W-O-D-E-H-O-U-S-E. Okay. Next, number 3, King Arthur. The name of the book is The Idylls of the King. Okay, the name of the book is Idylls of the King, and the name of the creator is Alfred Tennyson. Alfred Tennyson. A-L-F-R-E-D. Alfred Tennyson. T-E-N-N-Y-S-O-N. Next, number 4 is very common. Dushyanto is the from name of the book is Avigyanam Shakuntalam, and the famous creator is Kalidas. Next, number 5, Anna Karenina. Anna Karenina. The name of the book is also Anna Karenina, and the name of the creator is Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy. T-O-L-S-T-O-Y. Next, number 6 is Zhivago. Zhivago is Dr. Zhivago. Name of the book is Dr. Zhivago, and name of the creator is Boris Pasternak. Boris Pasternak. B-O-R-I-S. Boris. P-A-S-T-E-R. Pasternak. N-S-K. Nak. Boris Pasternak. Okay. Next, number 7, James Bond. James Bond is a famous character, and the name of the book is Thunderball. Name of the book is Thunderball, and the name of the creator is Ian Fleming. I-A-N. Ian Fleming. F-L-E-M-I-N-G. Ian Fleming. Next, number 8, David Copperfield. The name of the book is also David Copperfield, and the name of the creator is Charles Dickens. Charles, Charles Dickens, Dickens. See, Stella is also the creator of Charles Dickens, and David Copperfield is also the creator of Charles Dickens. Next, number 9, Sherlock Holmes, and the name of the book is Sherlock Holmes, and the creator is Arthur Conan Doyle. Arthur Arthur Conan, Conan, Conan Doyle, Doyle. Okay. Next, number 10 is Hector, and the name of the book is The Iliad, and the Iliad. Name of the book is Iliad, and this is the creator is Homer, Homer, Greek poet. Okay, Greek author. Next, number 11, Alice. Number 11 is Alice. Alice in Wonderful. Name of the book is Alice in Wonderful, and the creator is Lewin Carroll. Lewin, Lewin Carroll, Carroll. Next, number 12 is very common, also Priyambada. The name of the book is Avikanam Shakuntala, and Priyambada is the Shakhi, means friend of Shakuntala. Name of the friend is Anusha and Priyambada. So Priyambada is the creator of Kalidas. Next, number 13 is Gora. Gora is a famous Bengali story. The creator is, of course, our Rabindranath Tagore. Next, number 14 is Othello. Very famous book is also Othello, and we all know that the creator is William Shakespeare. Next, number 15 is Miller. Number 15 is Mellors, and the name of the book is Lady Chatterley's Lovers. Lady Chatterley's Lovers, and the name of the creator of D.H. Lawrence. D.H. Lawrence, Lawrence, D.H. Lawrence. And next, the number 16 is Tease, Teess, Tease of the D. Wills, D. Wills, and the name of the creator is Thomas Hardy, Thomas, Thomas Hardy, Hardy. Okay, to move to the next page, and this is the last page of our unit 4. So everybody take out. Okay students, take out the page number, open the page number 39, forms of poetry. Open the page number 39 is forms of poetry. An amazing way of expression, poetry comes in various forms. Are you aware of the different forms of poetry? Solve the crossword to find out. Okay. See the number 1. A Japanese poetry type of 5 lines, the first and the third composed of the 5 syllables and the rest of 7. The name of the form is Tanka, Tanka, Tanka. Okay. Next, number 2, a Japanese poem composed of 3 unrhythmed lines of 5, 7 and 5 syllables. It originated in the 16th century. It originated in the 16th century, and the name of the form is Haiku, Haiku, Haiku. Okay, see the spelling carefully. Next, number 3, this is a very short, satirical and witty poem, usually written as a brief couplet or quatrain. The term is derived from the Greek word epigramma, means inscriptions. Epigramma means inscriptions. This form of poetry got shaped up in the hands of poets like Ben Jonson and John Donne is the late 16th and 17th century. and the name of the poetry form is epigram. Okay, name of the poetry form is epigram, EPIGRAM. Next, number 4, this form of poetry is meant to be funny. It often contains hyperbole. Hyperbole is a way of speaking. Next is onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia, idioms. Onomatopoeia means the similar sound words. Okay, similar sound words. Idioms, puns, and the other figurative device. Figurative means expression. Generally, the last line of the poem contains in punchline. It's punchline. Edward Lear is the famous for this kind of poetry, and the name of the form is limerick. 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 Okay, next, number 5. Lewis Carroll used these techniques in the poem Jabberwocky. The term originates from a Greek word that means bad sound. Jabberwocky means bad sound. In poetry, the term refers to the use of word that combines sharp, harsh, hissing or unmelodious sounds. And the name of the form is cacophony. CACO, cacophony, PHONY. Okay, next, number 6. This kind of poem tells a story similar to a folk tale or legend and often has a repeated refrain. It can be defined as a story in poetic form. Refrain means stop oneself from doing something. Okay, refrain means stop oneself from doing something. And the name of the form is ballad. BALLAD. Very common form. Next, number 7. A 14-line verse form usually having one of the several conventional rhythm schemes and a concluding couplet, and the name of the form is sonnet. Number 8. A lyric poem typically of elaborate or irregular metrical form and expressive of excellent or enthusiastic emotions, and the name of the form is ODE. Okay. Next, number 9. This form of poetry is written unrhythmic, iambic, pentameter. Pentameter is a measurement. Okay, name of some measurement. Iambic means the rhythm in poetry. Okay, iambic is a rhythm of poetry. William Shakespeare wrote most of these plays using this form. Okay, the name of the form is blank verse. BLANK, blank verse. VERAC. Next, number 10. This form of poetry is formal lament for death of a particular person. Lament means an expression of grief or sorrow. Okay, and the name of the poetry is elegy. ALEGY, elegy. Okay, so that's it for today. Next day we will start our revision portion. Everybody, please watch the video and give your attendance. Okay, take care and bye bye.